Hi everyone. Let's continue with our IELTS series, and as already we had done in the academic writing task 1 with the 4 parts that were bar graph, maps, process diagram, pie chart, and today we will discuss with the line graph. So I will tell you what's the line graph and how you have to perform the question related to this. In the line graph, there is a data given to you in the form of lines, and just you have to write down that in the form of words. That is on the same way 150 words you have to write down. Firstly, in the first paragraph you have to paraphrase the question, or just you have to write what are you observing overall in that line graph. And in the second and third paragraph you have to discuss deeply what are you observing. It's decreasing, increasing, or steadily increase is there, steady decrease is there, whatsoever is being there. So we will discuss with the help of an example. So in the example, there is a change in the death and birth rate in the New Zealand between some of the years that we will discuss, and I will tell you what you have to write down. And some of the data you will write down in the second paragraph, and leftover about some years you will write down in the last paragraph. So let's discuss it. So let's begin with this. As we will paraphrase the question in the first paragraph, so you will write down, and what you are observing overall, that also you will write down in the first paragraph. So we'll write down the graph shows changes in the birth and the death rates in the New Zealand since 1901 to the year 2101, and the birth rates are higher in this up to the year 2041, whereas the death rates were low in comparison to the birth rates, and later on the death rates were higher in comparison to the birth rates. So first paragraph you will write down, between 1901 and the present day the birth rate has been consistently higher than the death rate. It stood up to 20,000 at the start of this period and increased up to the 66,000 in 1961. Since then, the rate has fluctuated between 65,000 and 50,000, and it expected to decline slowly to around 60,000 births by the end of the century. And then in contrast, the death rates started below 10,000 and has increased steadily until the present time. The increase is expected to be more rapid between 2021 and 2051, when the rate will probably level off at around 60,000 before dropping slightly in 2101. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.